Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to enable the HD audio in your Yamaha earbuds in your Android phone. At first you need to open the settings. Now scroll all the way down till you see here the general it's not here. Now at first about phone. Tap about phone, and now here you need to tap software information. Scroll all the way down, and here you should see build number. Tap build number, and here you see all development settings. Okay, developer mode has been enabled. Go back. You may be required to enter a PIN code, but don't worry, it's safe, so you can do it. General management, and here you should see, or maybe not here, it depends. It's here, developer options in the main settings menu. Here you need to scroll down to the Bluetooth section, networking. Here, HD audio, it's not even networking. As you can see, HD audio, we can tap it to disable the HD audio or tap it to enable. That's it, how it helps you, and goodbye.